Hey everybody, I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And together we are Fun King 3D, and today is another Mailbag Monday. Not a big one, but a pretty good one. It's just another Mailbag Monday. Alright everybody, so if you're new around here or you've been here for a while and you haven't done it yet, we would really appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button, and of course we would always appreciate a thumbs up on the videos. It helps the channel tremendously. So without further ado, we have two packages this week. One from our channel friend Paul Cumber, and one from, I was going to say former, but that's not right. Rival? No, that's not right either. A fellow...
the weird dude in the basement.
The weird dude in the basement. A fellow YouTuber, which would be Chris Riley from Chris's Basement, not on Twitter. And this box showed up unexpected, so I'm not even sure that I'm supposed to open this on video. So if we open it and I'm not, I'm just gonna blur the whole thing out, and that'll be fun. It'll be like, oh, we got one of these, and then it'll be just blurred. All right, so which one do you want to do first?
This one.
Paul's. Okay. No, you don't like cutting the envelopes. So actually, these envelopes you don't really have to cut them. You can just peel the.
Oh.
You can just peel the sticky.
Peel the sticky.
I mean, if you're strong.
All
Alright, let me peel the sticky. Because some of it's like really sticky. There you go. Alright,
you get a sticker.
I get a sticker. Alright, come on.
Okay. You get this.
That is a self-addressed stamped envelope to Paul with a letter inside.
Ooh, we got a bag.
A bag of goodies. Oh, not even just a bag, but that is a Mater bag. I'm gonna have to put my glasses on for this one, Paul. Oh, and he wrote in cursive, so Xander wouldn't be able to read this anyway. Hi, Glenn and Xander. How are you guys doing? I'm doing very good, and the weather is hot today as well. I made you guys some more good stuff too. The Happy 4th of July is in tan PLA. The bot is in army green. Oh, that's your robot. Awesome.
And this is the 4th of July.
The #1 dad keychain is PLA purple. The Superman dad is black, PLA black, and the Happy Mother's Day is for your wife. That is in tan as well. The #1 dad with the ring on it is for you, Glenn. Some of them have the raft on that I could not get off. Oh, I have that same problem, Paul. I'm glad you like the things I make with my 3D printer as well.
I'm gonna keep the
I try
raft
my
on
best
this
to
guy.
make things. If you like to take a look at my Tinkercad page as well, I'm Bigman4021 on Tinkercad. It's nice to have friends all over as well. May God bless you. Take care. Yeah, Paul, the whole having friends everywhere has been amazing with this community, and this community is nothing but super kind. I'm not sure what's going on here, but it's absolutely wonderful to have you as a friend as well, Paul. You are very kind to us, and you send us very cool stuff. And yeah, I can definitely see the raft issue. I don't know if I'll be able to get that off either, but this one.
I'm keeping the raft on this guy.
You're gonna keep the raft on. He stands up better. It's like feet. So this guy right here would actually make a really cool drink coaster as well. So and it does have.
This one would too.
That's some good gripping on there.
Oh no, it has holes.
Oh, it's got holes all the way through it, but.
But still, it's pretty cool.
Superman Dad, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
Yep,
And the Happy Mother's Day.
I think that goes to Zach.
I like this. You think it goes to Zach? I like this tan PLA. It's almost like a light pine wood.
I am using the
and
Force.
The #1 dad keychain. And a better #1 dad keychain. This one you can really see the letters stand out.
And then an army robot.
And an army robot. Xander's very proud of that robot, so that's available on Tinkercad.
Doesn't need a feet.
Well, not this one. It has feet.
No,
look,
it's available.
Look how much better he stands up.
On Thingiverse.
No, on Thingiverse he doesn't have feet.
No.
So if you guys want to remix it.
You said available on Tinkercad.
Oh, yeah. I was thinking Tinkercad.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
And we also got a bag.
I'm old. My brain doesn't work through it.
Yeah, you are old.
So, and Paul, you included a self-addressed stamp envelope, so I assume that means you want another sticker. So I will go ahead and slide one of those in there for you and send it out. Always moving on. How about thanks to Paul?
Oh, thanks, Paul.
Yeah, Xander's all about the next package. So thank you, Paul. It's always awesome to see your stuff. And as I told you the other night, I still have your cat up on my shelf. Even though I rotate the things on my shelf quite often, that cat is awesome to me and always gets a spot up there. So thank you. So here, again, I want to remind you that whatever is in this box, I don't know that it was supposed to be opened on air, so it could just go to one of those screens, you know. Would you like some help?
Yes, I would.
Yeah, see, they have to use good adhesive because otherwise, when the mailman sits on your stuff,
I weakened it.
It'll open it up.
I weakened it for you.
I hope it's a box full of Benjis.
A 1 a Benji, a 2 a Benji, a 3 a Benji, a 4 a Benji. Ooh, I like that one. A 5 a Benji. I also like this one. I like this one.
This is a mystery Benji.
A 5 a 6. Ooh, I like these colors. And that's it. I hope.
Oh my God, that's so funny.
That's it.
I wondered what that was rattling around in the box, and then.
Okay, so which one is my favorite?
So for you guys that don't know, when we went to IRF this year, Chris Riley came and hung out with us and stuff, and he brought this huge Ziploc bag of Benchies because you know Chris Riley prints some crazy amount of Benchies. So, and if you guys don't follow Chris, I'll have a link to his channel down in the description. Definitely go check him out.
Okay, we have to check the paper. Nothing on the paper.
You can read that letter. But so Chris shows up to IRF with this huge, like gallon-sized bag of Benchies, and he's like, "See if you can." He goes, "See if you guys can give these away." And so Xander did a pretty good job of giving them away. But then I found out he took a big bag of them back home with him too, and I'm like,
I like this one. I like this one, and I like these.
Do you know what this is?
I don't know what it is. Is it a magnet?
It's a Chris's Basement ceramic drink coaster.
I like these two. These two are mine. Especially this one.
Check that out. Check it out. Chris gets the coolest swag. He's got pens and shirts.
And apparently the coolest colors.
That is a good color.
It's apparently a mystery. No one will ever know.
Yeah, I can't read what's on the bottom of that. MK2, but you'll have to ask Chris what filament that is. He'll know.
Yeah. Definitely know.
Yeah, these are cool. These are cool colors. I have to assume that these were sent kind of as a ribbon.
Joke.
But the joke's on you, Chris, because we like your Benchies. I like to see the different filaments. I like to get to see, you know, stuff like Paul's robot. Like, I never knew there was an olive drab colored filament. So it's always cool. You sent me duplicates, Chris. Thanks. But
MOS.
MDS maybe?
MDS.
I don't know.
Maybe.
MOS.
MOS.
I don't know. He usually writes on it what what printer it came off of and stuff so that he can compare them. But
the world will never know.
Yeah. But thank you, Chris. This is so awesome, and I will cherish it always. You know, I got my Chris's Basement stuff.
That's really cool.
Yeah, he had actually told me he found a company that made them, and then I forgot. So this was totally a surprise, and I made it in one piece, so that's awesome. So, but that's gonna wrap it up for today.
Aww.
Some cool stuff, and it was exciting. So if you want to send us stuff, the address is down in the description.
Even if you want to send us a bunch of Benchies,
Even if you want to send us a box of Benchies.
Or bubble wrap.
These are nice. I mean, like this.
Wrap.
I'm gonna have to ask him what this came off of because one, this filament looks nice, and two, this is a beautiful benchy.
This color would go good with a rocket.
I mean, there's not really a flaw on that benchy.
No.
That's awesome. So at least you sent us the cream of your crop.
One here.
So, well, that could be a cooling issue. That's most likely a cooling issue. So, but thank you guys. Again, the address is down in the description if you want to send us something, along with a whole bunch of links and links to Chris Riley. And I will put a link to Paul's Tinkercad over there, because that's what he said, Tinkercad.
Yeah, he said Tinkercad.
He said Tinkercad, so you can go check that out as
well.
well.
At least you said Tinkercad.
No, that's what it said in the letter. And again, we'd love you to subscribe and hit that thumbs up. It's always appreciated. And until next time, as always, print on.